Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Number 12. Seeing dragons on an exotic Indonesian island. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is talking about wishes and using the if clause.
Andai aku bisa melewati saja bagian ujian ini dan langsung mulai liburan.
I wish I could skip this exam part and just start the holiday. The two most used terms of conditional clauses in Indonesian are
Jika, kalau,
if/whether, and andai. I wish /if only. For example,
jika tabungan saya cukup, saya ingin sekolah ke luar negeri.
If I had enough savings, I would like to study abroad.
Andai aku bisa terbang, aku ingin menemui orang tuaku di kampung halamanku.
If only I could fly, I would meet my parents in my hometown. Unlike English, which has a past tense, the Indonesian language does not conjugate verbs in the past tense. It is not common to express conditional clauses in the past. However, to express events in the past, Indonesians usually use the word dulu, which can be translated as ago.
Jika aku belajar keras, aku akan lulus ujian.
If I study hard, I will pass the exam.
Jika aku dulu belajar, aku pasti akan lulus ujian.
If I had studied hard, I would have passed the exam.
Jika aku dulu menuruti nasihat ibu, aku pasti tidak akan gagal seperti ini.
If I had obeyed my mother's advice, I would not have failed like this.
Jika ayahnya masih hidup, beliau pasti bangga dengan keberhasilan anaknya.
If his father were still alive, he would be proud of his son's success.
In bahasa, andai
Is I wish and can also be translated as if only, usually used in expressing something supernatural or something that is difficult to achieve. For example,
andai aku bisa kembali ke masa lalu, aku tidak akan mengulangi kesalahan yang sama.
I wish I could return to my past. I would not repeat the same mistake again, or if only I could return to my past, I would not repeat the same mistake again.
Andai kamu ada di sini, aku akan lebih bahagia.
I wish you were here. I could be happier, or if only you were here, I could be happier. While
andai
is common in direct speech, sometimes in poetic expressions or written communications, the word
andai
becomes
seandainya.
For example,
seandainya aku bisa terbang, akan kupetik rembulan untukmu.
I wish I could fly. I would bring the moon and give it to you. If only I could fly, I would bring the moon and give it to you. Cultural insight. Komodo dragons are an indigenous species of a giant lizard in Indonesia. Inhabiting the islands of Rinca, Komodo, Flores, Padar, and Gili Matang, Komodo dragons are the top predators of the ecosystems in which they live. Scientists have found that they have a venomous bite that is very useful in hunting their prey. In its habitat, a Komodo dragon can reach 3 meters long and weigh 160 kilograms. In spite of their huge appearance, Komodo dragons are agile runners. They can run up to 20 km/h. However, due to the vulnerability of this species, Komodo dragons are protected under Indonesian law. The animals are so much valued that one of the national parks on Komodo Island, the Komodo National Park, was founded with the aim of aiding the preservation of this special lizard.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Kembali.
To return, to be back.
Permulaan.
Beginning.
Liburan.
Holiday.
Senang.
Excited.
Ingin.
To want, to wish.
Ketika.
When.
Masih.
Still.
Indah.
Beautiful for inanimate objects.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Karena hal yang mendesak, Andi segera kembali ke Jakarta.
Because of an emergency, Andy went back to Jakarta in a hurry.
Andi mulai bekerja sejak permulaan tahun 2008.
Andy has been working since the beginning of 2008.
Banyak turis asing datang ke Bali untuk berlibur.
A lot of foreign tourists come to Bali for a vacation.
Dani sangat senang mendapat hadiah dari kakaknya.
Danny was very excited to receive a present from his older sister, or brother.
Hana ingin mendapatkan promosi tahun ini.
Hannah wishes to get promoted this year.
Ketika di Bali, Andi menyaksikan tari kecak.
When Andy was in Bali, he watched kikak dance.
Ketika konser telah dimulai, kami masih terjebak oleh macet.
When the concert started, we were still trapped by the traffic.
Andi masih di Bali ketika Hana mendapatkan promosi.
Andy was still in Bali by the time Hannah got promoted.
Masih jalan-jalan.
I'm still walking around. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Liburan. Liburan.
Is a noun that can be translated as holiday.
Liburan. Liburan musim panas.
Summer holiday. People sometimes use this term for vacation activities.
Liburan sekolah.
School holiday. Or
Liburan musim panas telah berakhir.
the summer holiday is over.
Ketika. Ketika
Is a conjunction to indicate time relationships and can also be translated as when or while.
ketika aku kecil,
When I was a kid,
ketika dia sedang liburan.
when he was on holiday. Usually, people use this conjunction when describing past events. For example,
Ketika belajar, ibu masuk membawakan makanan.
while I was studying, mother came and brought me food.
Kembali. Kembali,
Is a verb that can be translated as back.
dia sudah kembali,
He's back.
kembali ke negaraku.
back to my country.
Aku akan kembali.
Or aku akan kembali, I will be back. Usually, the term is used to address someone or something that has just returned. For example,
Senang melihatmu kembali.
glad to see you back.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
2 minggu lagi permulaan liburan musim panas.
In 2 more weeks, it's the beginning of the summer holiday.
Jangan terlalu senang, kamu masih ada ujian nasional besok.
Don't get too excited. You still have the national exam tomorrow.
Andai aku bisa melewati saja bagian ujian ini dan langsung mulai liburan.
I wish I could skip this exam part and just start the holiday.
Ketika aku seusiamu, aku juga menginginkan hal yang sama.
When I was your age, I also wished the same thing.
Selesai ujian ini, boleh kita pergi liburan ke Pulau Rinca?
After this exam, can we go on a holiday to Rinca Island?
Ide bagus. Kita bisa mengamati kehidupan komodo secara langsung di sana.
Good idea. We can observe how the Komodo dragons live there.
Tidak hanya komodo, tetapi juga terkenal akan pantai indah yang berwarna merah muda.
Not just Komodo dragons. It's also famous for the beautiful pink beach.
Kelihatannya kamu tahu banyak tentang Pulau Rinca. Sekarang waktunya kembali belajar.
You seem to know a lot about Rinca Island. Now get back to your studies.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.